I mean, good morning, people. It's me, the local zombie vampire. You see what, man? Sorry, that video never came out right, man. I'm saying, you see her? I was chatting to other girl, man. She's kak mooi, me, bro. Worry, voila. She's mooi. After that, I slept out with a video call. Now the other morning, on God, say I regret even talking to that girl in the first place. The time I saw her face, me, bro, she's in blacker than me. You, that day she had so much makeup on. What in God's name I told this kind is a farmer kind, me, bro. When I saw the next day, she had long nails was fake, eh? Yanning, me, bro. Oh, the time she took off that, the devil himself ran away out of her shameness. Sure, people, if you have fake things like fake nails, fake ass and all that, don't keep you warm, man. Just be even, ordinary. You understand? Because the girls with that things, they are warm, but they don't go on like that, man, you see. So please, man, just for that, man, I'm gonna shout out to all the lean drinkers. Thank you, so because of you, I must start now some 3 leans. Bye-bye.